Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare 4 types of layered chapatis. First, let us see how to prepare a soft dough for the chapatis. I am going to use 2 cups of flour here, that is 2 cups of wheat flour. To this, add half a teaspoon of salt and 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Oil will help to make the dough soft. First, crumble this. This is fine. Now let us start adding the water. So add water little by little and knead this into a soft dough. Depending upon the quality of the flour, you have to add the water more or less. Usually if the flour is good, you need half of its quantity of water. That is, I have taken 2 cups of flour here, so I am using 1 cup of water. Knead this well at least for 5 to 10 minutes. Kneading will make the dough so soft. This is ready. Now let us apply some oil. It is very essential to give this a rest, so I am going to give this a rest for at least 30 minutes. This is after 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this will be even more soft. Now knead this for another 2 to 3 minutes. The dough is ready. For the first type of layer chapati, I am going to use half of the quantity of the dough what we have prepared. Make sure you have dust enough flour on the working area. This is ready. Now let us roll this as thin as possible. This is fine. Now let us apply some oil. Spread this well. Make sure you apply the oil evenly, and if you apply the oil, your layers won't stick to one another. Now roll it like this. I am going to make 4 chapatis out of this, so I am going to cut this into 4 pieces. Keep this lengthwise and give a nice press. I am going to do this for the rest of the 3. All the 4 are ready. Apply some oil. Now let us roll this. Don't roll this too thin. This is perfect. Our first layering is ready. We'll move on to the next. Take a small ball from the dough we have prepared. I'm going to make a triangle shape out of this, so roll it thin. Dust some flour and spread some oil. Now fold this into a triangle shape. This is perfect. Now let us roll this. The second layering is ready. We'll move on to the next one. Take a small ball of dough and roll it thin. This is fine. Now let us spread some oil. Now fold this into a rectangle shape. Spread some oil and fold the sides. This is perfect. Now let us roll this. The third layering is ready. We'll move on to the final one. Take a medium-sized ball out of the dough. Roll this as thin as possible. This is perfect. Now spread some oil. Now start folding in this manner. Folding is over. Now twist it like this. This is perfect. Now let us roll this. This is also ready. Now cook all the 4 chapatis in a hot tawa. Spread some oil and turn and cook both sides. This is perfect. Our soft layered chapatis are ready. Hope you liked the video. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.